The use of computers and printers might be much more environmental friendly if the products that make use of less electricity than the previous generation comes from certified label such as Energy Star and Eco Label. So, when buying a new device, it's good to keep this in mind. Usually laptops, notebooks, and other thin clients take less energy than desktop computers. For example, according to a test by Penn University, an Apple iMac 24-inch desktop computer consumes 146 to 154 watts in moderate use and 141 watts in boot time, while an Apple MacBook Pro 30-inch notebook only uses 58 to 60 watts in moderate use and 52 watts in boot time. It can save more than half of the energy used. Also, laptop has batteries that can run several hours without electricity. When you're working, set your working monitor's brightness to the minimum that avoids your eyes to be tired fast. Other than brightness level, electricity consumption have friends and foe. To see your current power settings, go to Control Panel, Power Options. For more details, click on Changes Battery Settings. You can see and modify the duration that the computer will become dim or the monitor is closed down. More options can be found at Choose What the Power button does, where you can set a schedule for a lot of other devices such as hard drive. Setting computer to sleep when you are away for short periods may save 60 to 70% of power. Hibernate is different from sleep. It doesn't put the machine into sleeping. Instead, it writes the current state of the computer into a temporary file before shutting it down. If you are using laptop battery, Hibernate doesn't consume the battery like sleep, therefore avoid losing data when the laptop is suddenly turned off. Screensavers doesn't contribute to power save. To turn it off, you can right-click to any place in the desktop, choosing Personalization, and go to Screensavers, setting it to No Screensaver. Other way can be done through Control Panel, Appearance, and Personalization. Personalization and then Screensaver to bring us to the same destination. An electricity extension cord with a power switch is effective for central turn-off point. By using a power strip, you can be sure that all the digital devices are no longer in use. For a printer, take advantage of both blank pages by using a double-sided printer. Or just sort out the blank page and use them. If you need to print electrocytes, try to print several slides in one page. These will save papers. This can be done by choosing Zoom Page per Sheet in the Printer option dialog.